Alright, so this is your throttle position sensor. It's held on by two Phillips screw heads, but these can start stripping. So, don't want to lose those. So there are these two bolts right here that hold on this bracket holding your DPFE. So remove those two, and then you can move this just enough to get, so this is where it goes. Right in here. Oh, sorry. So yeah, it goes right in there, and then to get them Phillips heads, that bracket's blocking it. Oh, and you got to remove that hose. Move that hose, and then unscrew that to get that bracket out of the way, so you can get at the two Phillips heads on there. It's pretty tight. Make sure you don't strip them. You could take it all the way off, the throttle body off, and plenty them, but so there's the inside of it, which that looks pretty dirty. Might have to clean that up.